I did not need an extensive training because the program is self-explanatory. It's user-friendly. You can go in and explore, and it's very easy to use. My favorite feature is the tasks, where I can easily put in tasks and do follow-ups. It has helped a lot in the progress of the projects.
You have to weekly do the labor payroll for all the installers in the company for all the projects, and you use bpmPro weekly to do that. How do you find that tool?
Very easy. Very easy. The program provides the information needed. I am able to verify with contracts and the labor tickets exactly how much the labor ticket is, and it puts the information where I can go back and see everything that has been paid, everything that has to be paid, and it's just very, very easy to use. Everything pertaining to the project is in the system. I can look up status, I can look up permit information, I can look up installer information, I can look up anything that has to do with a particular project.
Are you in charge of managing and coordinating the building inspections?
Yes, I am. Very easy to do it through Salesforce because, again, all the information is in the system.
Can you see yourself working in this company and performing at your level without bpmPro?
Not at all. Not at all. We need a system like that. It's very efficient. Very efficient. All it takes is explore, go in, not be afraid. Very easy to use. The fact that once I put a status on the activity, the whole company can look it up and follow up also with the progress of the projects.
Any last comments, if you have any?
Love it.
Really?
Really good.
Thank you.
I have gained the experience, and if need be, this is something that I can recommend and for other companies.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.